Got my settings set. I've got my position set where it needs to be. I can go to graph. I go to graph, and then I can do a graph set like we did a minute ago. Program should already be set. Program number 60 right there. Start auto. There's our part that it's going to burn. All right. The next thing I have to do, I've got to transfer my graph over into the cutting monitor. So I hit transfer. I'm now going to hit cutting monitor, and you will see that all my monitor and everything is set up and got my graph in here. I'm ready to actually go. Okay. Right now, my part is right over here in the tank where it's ready to run, and we're going to be able to drain the tank and cut the wire, and then we're going to do a simulation of what the program's actually going to do. So I'm going to hit drain, and then I'm going to hit pendant cut wire, and here's where you're going to see where it cuts the wire. All right, burn it to 2. There it goes out. Still draining water, so we can't open the tank yet. Still working on draining. All right, we're all drained out. I'm going to open it up. And what we're going to do, we're going to actually do a dry run of this program. Okay? I can come over here and pick on dry run. All right, pick on dry run. I can actually say display program right here. Well, I got to go to memory, display program, and do it. Remember, when we're graphing or we're running, we have to be in memory just like you would be on the Hall's mill. All right, here's our program up here. We're now ready to go ahead and start. We're in dry run. I'm going to actually hit the cycle start button right here, and it's going to go through a dry run, and I'm going to go down and show you what it does on the part. So I'm holding right here. I hit my cycle start button. It's going to do a water jet there to show you like it's doing now. It's going to run the program, okay? It's also going to show you on the graph that it's running around the part. All right, it come to right there, and this is our cutoff, okay? Now, it goes ahead, and it's set to M00. When it sets at an M00, that's a stop, so I'm gonna hit that cycle start again to start it up. It then did your cutoff. Now we're gonna go back to our start hole. All right, got a little dwell in there. There we are. Cycle start. It cuts the wire off at this point, and we're back reset at the beginning of the program. So if everything works like it was supposed to, you should be sitting back at your start hole and you're good. All right. When you're happy with what it did, turn the dry run off. Okay. Turn the dry run off, and we're ready to go ahead and run the program. Okay. I'm going to shut my door. Well, first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to hit Z return. I got it. Now, it tells me to check the mode up here, check mode. I'm gonna go back to jog, and I'm gonna hit Z return. I'm now sitting back at my stroke limit. My light is lit up for Z return. We're good. You wanna also make sure that you don't hit any of these U and Vs, because that will tilt the axis. That vertical light has to be lit in order for that to be. That means the upper guide is right over the top of the lower guide. Okay, it's vertical. All right, so I'm gonna go back to memory at this point. And I'm going to shut my door, and I'm going to hit pendant, and I'm going to thread the wire. So I've got the wire threaded up. I'm now ready to go ahead. I'm going to fill my tank. And I'm going to go to memory, and I'm ready to burn. Okay, at this point I'm ready to burn a part, and we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna hit cycle start and let this thing start burning. So cycle start, you'll hear it come up. You'll see right here that I've got flush. Now the flush goes away, but there it comes back. It's flushing on both upper and lower flush cup. All right, it shows you here the progression that it's making. You see it's going, you'll hear it start to burn. Right now you see the voltage, the amperage comes up whenever it starts to burn. I'm gonna try to be quiet, see if you can hear it. All right, it's in there good burning now. We're burning around the part.